Namaskara, this is Guru and welcome to Belesiri channel. So this is the second week of our gardening talks. So today I'm going to talk about two things. One is the weekly updates, what all we're growing and what is germinating, what was sowed, etc. And this week I'm going to show you how exactly they're growing. Okay. And another thing is I'm going to talk about the two main categories of hydroponic systems this time. So it will be like open system and closed system. What are those and what are the advantages and disadvantages and how things work. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get all the updates every week. All right, or whenever we upload something, you get a notification there, and all the information here is free of cost.
So here is the paddy that is germinated this week, and you can see how beautifully it is growing. It should be ready for transplantation by next week. As I told last week, we are planning to grow paddy in NFT system. Okay, so we are preparing strawberry saplings for one of our customers, and this is using the runners of the strawberry plants. See how beautifully the Simaruba plant is coming up. It has lots of medicinal values, and it's going to be a big tree. I'm going to talk more about it later. These are lettuce or lettuce saplings which should be ready for transplantation next week. Local beans which are growing well. We may have to tie something on top so that we can allow them to climb further. We have cherry and normal tomatoes which are growing well, so we will be making some arrangement for them to climb properly. Here is the spinach or palak which has to be shifted to a bigger system as they are growing well compared to last week. So a lovely hibiscus flower and the red amaranthus, another week for transplantation. We're trying turmeric in the Dutch bucket for the first time using clay balls. Let's see how it grows.
Let's talk about the systems now. In hydroponic systems, when you want to grow something yourself, you'll come across two types of systems, major categories of systems. That is, one is open system and one is closed system. If you are hearing hydroponics for the first time, it is nothing but growing plants with mineral rich water. You proportionately mix the minerals and then feed to the plants, okay, in a timely manner, and it's a big process. If you want to understand it a little bit, if you want to know the introduction of hydroponics, please watch this video. Okay, so in open system and closed system, there's not a big difference, but only difference is in open system we don't recirculate the water or we don't reuse the water. So example, it could be a pot, okay, that you use with soil or without soil, but something where you just let the water drain out, right? Or you just let it being absorbed or evaporated. You don't really reuse that water. It could be a mineral rich water or normal water, right? That is the open system. What is a closed system? Closed system is nothing but you reuse the water, or you recirculate the water. So the biggest advantage in closed system is you can save lots of water. Popular example of closed system is NFT, a nutrient film technique. I'll be covering more about it in different videos, but in general, in brief, NFT system is something that enables water being recirculated, okay, or the nutrient rich water being recirculated. So what is the advantage here? So you can save lots of water, up to 90% of water, and you can do lots of wonders in small space. I mean, you can grow more things in small space. So you can go even vertical. So that's the advantage of closed system. So that's NFT or deep water culture. Okay. What is the problems with closed system? Closed system is like, just imagine people sitting in a room and one person getting infected and rest everyone will be infected, right? So just like that in NFT system, since the roots are all using the same system or the same channel for the same water being circulated, so there are chances that one plant gets affected, it'll actually spread to the other plants as well. Okay, so there are ways to deal with it. There are ways to reduce the infection or prevent it and all. We'll be talking more about that later. Hope you got this differentiation. We'll be talking more and more about these systems, but this is what open and closed system is. On the other hand, the open system, wherein you have grow bag systems filled with coco peat, let's say, what happens is here the system is independent, like it's an independent house. So anything goes wrong, it goes wrong with that particular plant. It does not really affect the other plants. I'm talking about the roots, right? In both the open system and closed system, I'm talking about the root system getting infected, right? I'm not talking about the aerial or airborne diseases or infections, right? That we're going to talk later. So this is what happens when you really use open system or closed system. So don't worry about the systems, right? That's what I tell all my students who come to my training classes or workshops. I tell them, don't worry about which system to use. First, think about what exactly you want to grow. If you want to grow tomatoes, I'll tell you what to grow, how to grow. Okay? Don't come to me asking, okay, I want to do NFT. Why you want to do NFT? You don't know the problems associated with NFT, or you don't know the limitations associated with NFT. We'll be learning all that very soon. Okay? Next week we'll meet again with a different topic and again with our updates. And hope you're liking this information. Please like our video and subscribe and share with your friends so that it can reach to many people. And if you want to attend my workshops, let me know and I'll tell you how to get in touch with us and then learn everything practically here. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Namaskara. Bye bye.